I go to school in Houston, Texas, but my school is kind of far. And what advice would you have for a student in school with no Jamaat presence really around campus?
For how many more years you are going to stay there?
2 more years or so. I'm only there on a basketball scholarship. Yeah.
So you are a basketball player.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shema, stand up.
6'6".
You are not that tall.
No, not that tall. Not that tall.
Anyway, you can offer your own prayers.
Thanks.
There's no Muslim there.
Muslim, but no Ahmadi.
But ask the other Muslims to make you their imam, and then you can lead them in their prayer.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
You can lead them in their prayer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And even you can deliver Friday sermon. Just read this excerpt of from Islam from any book or any passage.
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
And then they would know about Islam. And don't touch controversial issues.
Yeah.
Only talk about Quran and Hadith and
Yes,
what the Holy Prophet said.
Yes, sir.
Right? And then lead them. Right?
Yes.